Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about the topic quality by design, commonly known as QBD. To start with, quality by design is a modern and systematic approach used in a product development. In simple words, quality by design means designing quality into the product from the very beginning instead of checking for quality only at the end. Now talking about the background, the concept of quality by design was first introduced by the Joseph M. Juran. He explained that quality should not be checked at the end but should be built into the product right from the start. This concept is now widely used in the pharmaceuticals and many other industries. Objective: the main objective of quality by design is to achieve the quality products. Second, to achieve positive performance testing. Third, to ensure combination of the product and the process knowledge gained during the development. Fourth, from knowledge of the data process, desired attributes may be constructed. Now moving to the next slide, which explains the difference between the traditional approach and the quality by design approach in the pharmaceutical development. This table compares both methods based on the several important aspects. First, pharmaceutical development. In the traditional approach, development is empirical, meaning it is mostly based on the trial and error or a past experience. This means quality by design studies multiple factors at the same time to understand how they affect the product. Second, manufacturing process. Quality by design. The process is flexible and can be adjusted within the design space that has been scientifically studied. This makes the process more robust and reliable. Third, process control. Traditional system. Process control is usually offline, which means measurements are taken later and the response time is slow. But in quality by design, we use PAT, process analytical technology. This allows real-time monitoring and feedback, making the process faster, more accurate, and more controlled. The product specification. Quality by design sets specification based on the desired product performance. This ensures product works exactly as it is intended to do. Fifth, control strategy. Quality by design, the strategy is risk based and controls apply throughout the process. Sixth, life cycle management. Quality by design supports continual improvement within the design space. So overall, quality by design offers a more scientific, flexible, and reliable approach compared to the traditional methods. It improves quality, reduces risk, and support continuous improvement. Next, target product profile is a basically summary of what we want the final drug product to be like. It defines the ideal quality, safety, and effectiveness of the drug before development begins. A target product profile usually includes dosage form, route of administration, dosage strength, pharmacokinetics, and stability. Overall, the target product profile is a patient focus. Next is the quality target product profile. Quality target product profile is basically a detailed and measurable version of the target product profile. It helps in designing and optimizing the process formulation and manufacturing process. It includes only the patient relevant performance of the product. Quality target product profile mainly focus on quality aspects such as identity, assay, dosage form, purity, and stability. In simple words, quality target product profile defines the quality standards our final product must meet. Let's talk about critical quality attributes. Critical quality attributes are important physical, chemical, biological, or microbiological properties of the drug that must stay within a specific limit to ensure the product is safe and effective. They are usually related to the drug substance, excipients, intermediates, and the final product. Examples of the critical quality attributes include identity, assay, content uniformity, degradation products. Next, we have critical process parameters. Critical process parameters are the important process conditions that, if changed, can affect the critical quality attributes and the overall quality of the product. So controlling these parameters is essential during the manufacturing. Different stages of a tablet manufacturing have the different critical process parameters. First, wet granulation. It includes the mixing time, impeller speed, binder addition rate, and the method of addition. Second, drying. drying time, temperature and airflow. Third, milling speed, screen size and the feeding rate. Mixing, mixer type, mixing time, order of addition. Fifth, compression force, dwell time, punch penetration and ejection force. Sixth, coating, temperature, spray rate and inlet air flow. In simple terms, critical process parameters are the key steps we must control carefully to ensure consistent product quality. Now let's discuss risk assessment. Risk assessment helps us understand the relationship between the material attributes and the process parameter. The chart shown here is a typical risk matrix which evaluates risk based on two factors. First, likelihood of something going wrong, and second, impact if it actually happens. Benefits of quality by designs. First, better understanding of the process. Second, less batch failure. Third, return on investment or cost saving. Fourth, reduction of post-approval submission. Fifth, more flexible regulatory approaches. For example, manufacturing changes within the approved design space without further regulatory review. Sixth, better innovation due to ability to impress process without resubmission to the FDA. Seventh, less validation burden. 8. More drug availability and less recall. 9. Improve yield, lower cost, less investigation, reduce testing. 10. Time to market reduction. Conclusion. To conclude, quality by design plays a vital role in today's pharmaceutical industry. It is a modern and reliable approach that helps us build quality into a product right from the beginning rather than testing it only at the end. In simple words, quality by design helps us achieve better efficiency, fewer failures, and more reliable medicines. Thank you.